Now, ladies and gentlemen, and as you can see here, we have KOLD. This is ProShare Short Bloomberg Natural Gas. A big ass, long ass name, but let's get straight into it. We're going to do a quick top down analysis from this time frame. So this is the 3 month chart. From To be honest with y'all, from what I can see from this 3 month chart is, so the first of all, this break here to the downside from this low, then we broke bullish from these lows, then we broke those lows out from here, and we're coming from this one. Oh my god, 1700 high, and we're sitting at $13 right now, which is huge ass difference. But now on the monthly, for example, we have this high that's holding the range, which is just a lower high, right? That's holding the bearish range. Why am I saying that? Because if you want to see some upside moves, we might first of all be breaking that high. Actually, we have this break right here. So yeah, this is the most recent break there, from this high to these lows. Now I'm seeing this on this time frame, but again, I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and show you. So overall, looking for these 906 lows to get cleared, then we can come to the weekly chart. And now this is where it makes sense. So yeah, you can see that this is the monthly and a weekly break at the same time. We overall have 2 weekly breaks. So we're either gonna go lower from this high or from somewhere around here. So this is gonna be my prediction. Obviously not financial advice until, like, obviously I would love to see something like this, but if I see something like, I'd love to see something like this, but again, some people are going to say, bro, you're dumb, or why are you bearish in this thing? If we see this, for example, like multiple breaks to the upside, I'm actually going to look for upside moves in that sense, but again, higher time frame takes place, it's more important. But that's generally about it, not financial